everyone, and welcome back to Emken Gardening. So we are not going to have a full video for you all today because we're going to be enjoying the holidays with each other, with our fur babies, and with our family. We hope that you do the same, but we just wanted to pop on and wish you all a Merry Christmas and hope that you are able to celebrate with your family as well.
We want to thank you all for your support over the last year, from the start of our journey up until now. We encourage you to stay tuned to the new content that's coming. We're going to have some new things ready for you in 2023 that we think that you're really going to enjoy.
So Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I hope you enjoy this weekend with your friends and family, and stay tuned because we will have another video up for you on Wednesday.
Happy holidays, Happy New Year, and have a great weekend, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas.